And more than ever before, women are taking up more roles and breaking more glass ceilings. Now, recently, there's a call for the inclusion of more women in the insurance sector, and we have Funmi Omo. She's the founder of the Funmi Omo Initiative and Insurance Business Executive, and we're talking about inclusion, what is happening, how women are becoming much more involved in all these things. Hello, Funmi. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you doing?
I'm good, doing great.
All right, it's great to have you. Now, I know that you're involved with mentorship and also raising of people and all of that. Let's talk about that. How did you pick up your zeal and your passion for mentorship, and how is that going?
Okay, thank you very much. I picked it up as a result of the challenges I had growing up in the career ladder. As the first female managing director of African Alliance, my former company, I realized that in 60 years, the first time a woman will get to the top and become the managing director was just recently. And so that prompted me, that inspired me to want to also make some contribution, because I consider gender inclusion and diversity very important to growth of any country, because women are the backbone. The challenge we have, both at community level and the workplace, is that many times the men have the opportunity of growing linearly. For the women, it's really not like that, because as you climb the ladder, they are also face the challenges of getting married, having children, raising them, apart from the cultural bias that exists. And this and a lot more forms the basis and prompted me to go into the initiative of the scholarship fund.
Okay, wonderful. Now, to a young girl out there, young woman who wants to progress when in her career and get to the top in spite of all these challenges, what words would you have for that young woman, that child, maybe that girl in school, or that young executive? What word would you have for them? What can you tell them that will help them get to the peak and achieve the best of what they can do?
I would first of all say that every woman should believe in herself. A young woman should believe in herself and believe that nothing is impossible. Believe that she can achieve her dreams. Stay focused, be determined, be consistent, and keep working hard.
Okay,
wonderful.
wonderful.
And those are the words by which I will encourage any young female
Wonderful.
to
All right.
achieve their purpose in life.
All right. So you're talking about inclusion in your industry. How do you hope to achieve such inclusion, bringing women and all that into the fold? How do you hope to achieve it?
In terms of inclusion, I've started that even as a managing director, and I intend to do a lot more. I intend to be a lot more deliberate about it. I intend to focus in areas, even as I begin my journey with Enterprise Life. I intend to focus on encouraging the young people, being more structured in my approach towards it, being more intentional in my approach towards it, and creating platforms by which young women, young females can be mentored, can be coached, and can be given